we are going to make the changes there. So it's a custom shape. We will create these custom shapes and keep on editing. So let's make the further designs using different features. So there we will use the options there. So make the further designs, keep on editing. So here we have the option with that. There it is. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.